Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Visual Studio, a SQL Server database, and the system. Data, SQL Client Provider. Open your project and add an app. Config connection string for your DB, use Trusted Connection or SQL Auth. Create a simple users table with username, password hash, salt. Next, design the login form with username and password fields and a login button. Once done, import system. Data, SQL client, and prepare to write a parameterized query. This prevents SQL injection and ensures secure authentication. You now implement the core logic. On button click, open a SQL connection using your connection string. Create a parameterized SQL command to select password hash and salt for the supplied username. Execute with execute reader. If a row exists, read salt, compute the hash of the entered password using the same algorithm and iterations, then compare securely. Make sure to use using blocks for connection and command so resources are disposed automatically. And catch SQL exception to report issues without revealing sensitive details. Finish by handling outcomes. When the hash matches, set an authenticated flag, open the main form or redirect and clear sensitive inputs. When it fails, increment a retry counter and consider account lockout after several failed attempts, plus logging. For production, use TLS and secure storage for secrets. If you encounter connection errors, make sure the connection string is correct. SQL Server accepts remote connections, firewall rules allow the port, and the DB user has proper permissions. Change one thing at a time to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.